Mental health is a crucial aspect of overall well-being. It encompasses emotional, psychological, and social well-being, impacting how individuals think, feel, and act. Mental health influences daily life, relationships, and productivity. Stigma surrounding mental health persists, highlighting the importance of promoting understanding and seeking support. Prioritizing mental health contributes to a healthier, more resilient society. 1. Fatty fish for omega-3 fatty acids. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats play a crucial role in brain function and have been linked to a lower risk of depression. Including fatty fish in your diet provides a dose of these beneficial nutrients, promoting both mental and physical well-being. 2. Dark leafy greens for vitamins and minerals. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with vitamins and minerals, including folate. Folate is essential for the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin, which plays a key role in regulating mood. These greens also contribute to physical health by providing a range of nutrients that support overall wellness. 3. Berries for antioxidants. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants, which help protect the brain from oxidative stress. Antioxidants also have anti-inflammatory properties, benefiting both the brain and the body. Including a variety of berries in your diet supports mental clarity and physical health. 4. Nuts and seeds for brain-boosting nutrients. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are excellent sources of nutrients like magnesium, zinc, and vitamin E. These nutrients contribute to cognitive function and are associated with improved mood. Additionally, the fiber and healthy fats in nuts and seeds support heart health and overall physical well-being. 5. Whole grains for sustained energy. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats provide a steady release of energy throughout the day. This sustained energy can positively impact mood and mental focus. Furthermore, the complex carbohydrates in whole grains contribute to physical health by supporting digestive function and providing essential nutrients. 6. Greek yogurt for probiotics and protein. Greek yogurt is not only a rich source of protein but also contains probiotics that support gut health. Research suggests a strong connection between gut health and mental well-being, known as the gut-brain axis. Including Greek yogurt in your diet promotes a healthy gut, positively influencing both mental and physical health. 7. Dark chocolate for mood-enhancing compounds. Dark chocolate, in moderation, contains compounds like flavonoids that have been associated with improved mood. The release of endorphins triggered by chocolate can contribute to a sense of well-being. Additionally, dark chocolate contains antioxidants that support cardiovascular health, linking mental and physical well-being. The connection between mental and physical health is profound. Regular exercise not only enhances physical fitness but also reduces the risk of depression and anxiety. Adequate sleep promotes cognitive function and emotional well-being. A nutritious diet, rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, supports both brain health and overall physical well-being.